What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to find the domain of a multivariable function. Here we have a multivariable function, and finding the domain is similar to two variable functions, and we know that when we have a round value, that should be a positive value, and therefore this value inside of this bracket should be a positive value. And in order to express this one, we can write this one as x plus y minus 1 should be greater than 0. Now let's see what happened to the y coordinates. And if we write this in terms of y coordinate, we are going to have y that is less than, if we move this x and minus 1 to the other side, we are going to have negative x plus 1, right? So this is going to be, this y coordinate should be greater than negative x plus 1. Now let's see how we can draw this graphically, like two-dimensional graph. Let's show this one in two-dimensional graph. Now let's go ahead and do that. First of all, we are going to have x, y coordinates. Let's x-axis and y-axis. Okay, y-axis. Now from this graph, from this equation, we can already see that negative x means the line is going to go from this side, right? Negative x, and plus 1 is 1 unit shifted to the upper side, so the line is going to look like this, and this is 1, right? This is 1, this is also 1. Therefore the domain is going to be above this line. Okay, if we draw some lines like this is going to be the domain. Okay, it should be above this one. Let's see how we can draw this one in three-dimensional graph. Okay, this is from this one, this is our x-axis, this is y-axis, and let's see how it's gonna look like in three-dimensional graph. Let's draw the three-dimensional graph right here. We are going to follow the right-handed coordinate system. Here, this is z-axis, and this is going to be our y-axis, and this is going to be our x-axis, right? And we know that this is the line meeting 1 and 1, right? So let's put here 1 and here 1, and you can see if we draw a dotted line like this, from here you can see that y is positive, x is positive, like you can see that positive 1 is crossing positive 1, positive 1, so the line goes like this, right? And the domain is going to be above this, like this is going to be the domain, this region, right? And that's how we draw domain graphically for multivariable functions. I hope this was helpful to you. See you next time.